Welcome to our video on the stock market. Today we will discuss the basics of the stock market and how it works. Cut to shot of stock exchange. The stock market is a place where publicly traded companies sell shares of their ownership to investors. This ownership in the company is known as a stock or a share. Cut to close-up of stock ticker. The stock price of a company is determined by the supply and demand of the shares in the market. The more people that want to buy the shares, the higher the price will be. Conversely, if there are more people selling the shares, the price will go down. Cut to analyst discussing a company's earnings report. A company's earnings report can also affect the stock price. If a company reports strong earnings, the price of the stock may go up. If the earnings are weaker than expected, the stock price may go down. Cut to investors on trading floor. Investors can buy and sell stocks through a broker, either online or through a traditional brokerage firm. It is important for investors to do their research and understand the risks involved before investing in the stock market. Cut to graphic of market trends. The stock market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating daily based on market trends and other factors. It is important for investors to be patient and stay focused on their long-term goals. Cut to close-up of stock portfolio. As an investor, it is important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. This means investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to spread out your investments. Cut to analyst discussing the benefits of long-term investing. Finally, investing in the stock market can be a long-term strategy for building wealth. By investing in a diversified portfolio and staying focused on your goals, you can grow your wealth over time. Outro music plays. Thank you for watching our video on the stock market. We hope this has been helpful in understanding the basics of how the stock market works. Please subscribe,